Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Control on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up on Boxing Day last year now. So yeah, it's officially 2020. So happy New Year, guys. So yeah, there's the main character, Jesse Faden. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Love the Remedy games anyway. Loved Alan Wake and Quantum Break as well. So. And there's the back. Discover a world unknown. It's only single player, which is good. Install size is up to 40 gig. And inside we have some stuff about all that. And we also have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Control on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.